Welcome. Today we're going to be making a pinch of noom sweet potato brownie. Okay, so let's get going. These are our ingredients. So we're taking cooked sweet potato first. All these are going through into our mixer. In that goes. Then we've got low fat spread. And sweetener. Then put this in and whisk it all up. Then add our eggs and our dry ingredients. Okay, that's our cocoa powder, and that's got baking powder in as well. And that goes. Then we're going to put a teaspoon of organic vanilla. In that goes. Until it's smooth. Okay, that's it, it's done. That's quick, isn't it? And then just take it out. Get rid of that. And then we're just going to put it into our greased loaf tin. This seems the most spongy of all the brownies we've made with sweet potatoes this afternoon. So we'll see. I think you could quite easily change this into just a normal sponge. Heaven forbid, if you didn't like chocolate, you could possibly just have vanilla with a bit more of the flour in. So smooth it down, and then it goes into the oven on 180 for 30 minutes. There you are. So now we're going to taste our pinch of nom. Now for me, this is probably a pretty standard brownie. However, there's not too many funny ingredients in. You don't have to go out and buy a load of stuff that you've never heard of. So it's very well accessible. Does use a lot of sweetener in. All of the sugar comes from the sweetener. So I use stevia in this because I believe that that's a bit more natural. You can make up your own mind on sweeteners. Have a go with different ones. I think this one said brown sweetener, which I've not come across before. But hey ho, I've not looked for it. So this, I would say you could take the cocoa powder out, add some flour, and that will make you a vanilla sponge. So maybe this one's quite accessible and, you know, not too much faffing about. You could, I know I did mine in the food process, but it quite easily just whip it up in a bowl. Great one to maybe make with the kids, and also possibly into cupcakes. Right, so let's have a taste. So that's lovely. On the top, you've got this little glaze, which is maple syrup and more cocoa powder. So if you want to, that gives you a sort of kick of sweetness as you're going through. If you didn't want that, then leave that out. That'd be absolutely fine. But it's quite nice. It's fairly light with the other two that we did at the same time. They're a little bit more heavier. I'd say this one. Definitely more cakey for me. But have that with a little bit of double cream. Or I like mine with some banana and a bit of Greek yogurt. Always find that goes well. I'll put all the calories up at the end, but that is the portion, okay? So that's your portion. So remember, as always, make sure the portion's right. Okay, see you soon.